Hey, måste vrouw rustig.
No, je maakt masta vrouw. Abo move van bo.
Abo move van bo.
Abo yung galing ko siya.
Wat
Pag nga yung hopi, mentira so ora camera sindi.
Oh!
Oh, na? Mhm. What are you doing? Chefing it up? The adios, motherfucker? Ik heidi.
Wat is dat gedaan?
Minaki kaide.
Dat is het gedaan, ja.
Okay, I have built a fire once.
How did you... You know.
Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today I have you here in my sunny kitchen. Benny and I are going to prepare a meal for ourselves because we haven't been able to travel due to everything going on in the world. We're not like an exception, so yeah, but we have been craving a red Thai curry that we ate in Barcelona, and since we are not able to go eat it there, we decided to order all the ingredients and make it at home. So that's what we're gonna do today, and we're also gonna do a fun tag, and that is gonna be the never have I ever tag, just to, you know, have like something to talk about well while we cook this meal. So do you want to say hi to the amigas, Benny?
Hi, amigas.
So yeah, we're now gonna get all the ingredients and get started with this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and let's go ahead and get into it. So here we have all the ingredients that we are gonna use today to make the red beef curry. And now let's get cooking. All right, amiga, we're starting off by cutting the greens. So Benny is gonna take care of that, and in the meantime, I'm gonna do some questions, okay? Cooking with us where you do all the work.
You're gonna do the rest.
What am I gonna do?
But you could do the rice in the meantime, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know what, amiga? Let me go to fix the rice in the meantime. I'll be right back. Right. Have you ever eaten like you asked me if
Have you ever eaten a paprika? A raw one?
bell pepper?
I didn't. A bell pepper.
Yes. Do you know that like when I lived in America, people would always like talk about paprika. They didn't know that paprika is made out of bell pepper. They didn't know that.
What is bell pepper? Jenny, this thing is paprika.
Yeah.
Where did you come up with bell pepper?
That's how they say it in American, in English. They call it bell pepper.
That's not true.
That is true. How do you...
I've heard paprika. People said paprika.
But then they mean the powder.
Oh, okay.
My mom is gonna have an attack when she sees all these plates here.
Can you please wash the rice good? Because otherwise I'm gonna have an attack. Wash it, wash it.
Why would you have an attack?
Wash it.
Wash.
Oh,
Why tabo? Sa.
Tja.
Tawag ko limbi awat ha?
Hey, måste vrouw rustig.
No, je maakt masta vrouw. Je maakt masta vrouw. Did you cut up everything?
No, I did not. You need to move.
Abo move ambo.
Abo move van bo.
Abo yung galing ko siya. Alright. Can I have my camera back, please?
Black?
Back. Have you ever cheated on a test? At school?
Yes, I did.
Yes?
Yes.
What was your best trick to cheat on a test?
I can't tell you that.
Why not? Probably some sneaky shit again, isn't it?
All those we had like practice tests that you could make but those were tests from the previous years, so you could practice with them, right? The question that I saw come back a lot. So I made a whole document in Microsoft Word, and then in Photoshop I photoshopped the trademark of the school in the background.
Damn.
You
always need to take it a step too far.
So I can remember the day of the test. You know, there are people like checking, you know, and then the lady came and she was like to see if I had any papers in it. Meanwhile, the whole paper was a fake.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty smart. I am not that good at it at all. I always get caught. So
You got caught?
yes.
You got caught?
I tried it one time and I got caught, and it was my French teacher. So, oh my god, she was such a biatch. Like, it's not normal. She would always be like, I'm gonna say it in Dutch, how she would say it. Wanneer ga jij beginnen met leren? Huh? Een dag van tevoren? Het wordt een drama. Het wordt een drama.
But she was really French?
She was French, yes.
Really
Yeah, she
French?
was French.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, she was horrible. She was horrible. She was good at her job, but just, yeah, not, I don't know. She would just make you feel awful about yourself. That's just how it is. Have you ever crashed a car?
No comment.
Have you ever crashed a car?
No comment, Jennifer.
Why not?
I can't
Why not?
talk about that, Jennifer.
Why not?
No comment. I never crashed a car. I'm the best driver in the world.
I don't believe you.
You don't have to believe me.
Well, I did crash a car one time.
And then you were giving me a hard day.
I'm not giving you a hard time at all about it. I'm just...
The day that I was driving. Meanwhile, you can't even drive.
Shut the hell up.
You need to shut the hell up.
So yeah, one time I crashed a car. I feel like this video is all story times.
How did you crash the car?
Mine is kind of boring. I was on vacation. The only sad thing about it is that I didn't have a driver's license. Maybe I shouldn't talk about this. Maybe I shouldn't talk about this.
People use it. She didn't even have a driver's license, but she's driving cars.
Yeah.
And I that has a driver's license, or had a driver's license, she wants to give me a hard time.
Yeah.
The audacity.
I've got to keep this story to myself. This is not a very good influence. People, do not drive cars without a license, because you will crash the car, you will get in trouble, people can die.
No, you won't.
Yes, it can happen. Luckily I didn't run into anybody.
Now I want to know the story.
Yeah, but I will tell you the story off camera. Give us the story.
What story do you want?
The story of you crashing the car. Mine is just not very good.
Why is it not good?
Because we have...
But mine is actually... Okay, let me tell you. So we were on the corner, right? There was a big bus in front of me. But it was like... How do they call it?
Did you have a license or not?
I had a license, yeah.
Okay.
I'm not a fraud like you. So we were on a corner, and the street we were going on was a one-way. So there was traffic coming only from the right side, right? So if you're on the corner like this, you can only go left, and there's only traffic coming from the right side.
Yeah.
So it wasn't even a busy day. There were no cars coming. But you know, when you see someone just pull up, you think, oh, okay, I'm next, right? So I saw this guy pull up, so I was looking right to right, okay, I'm next, and so while I'm rolling, I wasn't driving, I was rolling the car to the corner to take my place, to see if I can just go. And while I'm rolling and I'm looking left to see if there's any traffic coming, while I'm rolling to the corner, I hear like this cracking sound, like And I was like, what the fuck is So I look to the front, I see the bus is still there, and I'm thinking, what is this guy doing? So he came out the bus, starting cussing out, and I was like, you are making a big mistake, sir. His bumper had a little scratch, and I was I had more. How do they call it?
Like damage.
Damage. I had more damage than him, right? And I told him like, yo, I don't think you need to act like this, cause I have more damage than you. I know that you want money. So I told him you can call the police if you want. Yeah, but if we call the police and then insurance is gonna come.
Yes.
I said, I know. So what do you wanna do? Yeah, you know what? If you give me like a little bit of money, then I told him like it's cool. So I gave him like a little money and then it was off.
And then what did you tell your mom? That's what we want to know. What did you tell your mom? Because it was your mom's car, right?
I told my mom. I told my mom that the car just got hit in the parking lot of the school.
Oh my God! You got away with it. That's pretty good, Benny.
Eat this.
Okay.
You're like Bugs Bunny. Watch up, Doc.
What's up, Doc? It's pretty good.
It ain't.
You want to buy?
No, I don't want to buy.
Why not?
No, I don't want any. So what's next?
Now we gonna cook.
You are gonna cook.
No, you are gonna cook.
No, you are gonna cook, bitch ass.
Why are you lying?
Turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. Bambly, 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 bam, bam, bam.
Have I ever spied on my neighbor? Have you ever spied on a neighbor, Benny?
No, but I have watched my neighbors fighting though.
Oh,
Is that spying?
that's also spying because
How is it spying?
were you trying to figure out what they were fighting about?
No, I just wanted to see the fight. So, these people were fighting in the living room. Yeah. But if I go to the first floor of my house
Yes.
and I would watch through the window, I
Yeah.
would see through your kitchen window in your living room.
Okay, that's spying because you already took effort to
Yeah.
look into people's house.
Alright. I don't care. I wanted to know.
Okay.
But
Nobody is judging.
alright. I was watching the fight and I saw my neighbor. So the lady neighbor sitting on top of her husband. And she was hitting him in the face.
Oh my God.
But he was shorter than her, that's why.
Uh-huh.
And I was watching the whole thing.
Go down.
Yeah. So when the fight was done, I just went down and and later that day I heard my parents talking about, yeah, I heard the neighbors fighting so I was, and me with my big mouth, I was like, yeah, I saw it. I went upstairs to look. And they were so mad that you shouldn't be speaking on
Looking into people's business.
yes. I said, yeah, but I just wanted to see the fight. It was
Oh my God.
yeah, I'm something else. Yeah, but that was my
No story.
my story of watching the neighbors fight.
Okay. Well, I have a story too. So, when I was little, my mom bought me a, how do you say verrekijker? Barbie spy glasses.
Jennifer, are you making the thing as like it's described in the?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So
It's a one pot thing. So,
It's a?
it's a one pot
Oh, okay.
thingy. So my mom bought me these Barbie spy glasses, and I just thought they were fun because I could look like into people's house and I could like see what they were doing. So it was like a lot of fun for me. I would just look. It was like very innocent actually. I would just look.
Amigas, in the meantime, she has
We will put the recipe in the description box down below.
She added some milk to the
coconut milk. Next is the broccoli. It's gonna go in. Everything's gonna be alright.
It better.
Yes.
Because I don't feel like going to the hospital.
Why would you go to the hospital? Did you ever go to the hospital when I cooked something?
Don't let me tell the amigas, okay?
What are you gonna tell the amigas? Lies again? What the hopi? Mentira so ora camera Cindy.
Oh!
Oh, no.
Oh!
See, lies. You tell people I like Mostaman. Like, I don't listen to that. People are now thinking.
Anyway, tell the story about the binoculars.
The spyglass.
The spyglass.
So yeah, my mom bought me these Barbie spyglasses, and I was spying on the neighbors, but it wasn't like really that serious. I was just looking on their TV while I had the same program on my TV, and I wasn't making it like sneaky or anything. I was just sitting in the windowsill spying on people with my little spyglass. So one day I was like, there was a specific house that I would always like spy on. The man and his
You know what the funny thing is?
and his wife. Wait. I was just spying on them, and I would like make little voices like, "Oh, go make me some coffee. Go make me some tea." I would just like improvise what they were saying. So one day I was like doing my little routine again of spying on people, and I go like of all the houses, and I like go to the house where the man and his wife lives last. And then when I get there with my little spyglass, I see that he has a spyglass too. And he waves at me. And, and I was shocked. I fell. Yes, I panicked. And I fell over down to the floor. So my mom was watching her favorite series. And I just fell on the ground like boom. But yeah, then after that day I didn't spy on the neighbors anymore, because I was like, okay, they're on to me. And I didn't really know that I was doing something that I shouldn't have been doing. I don't know. And then later on I would see this man like walking in the street, and then he would say hi to me, but like he was just having fun with it. But I didn't think it was fun at all. So I would like, when I see him, I would go the other way, or I would do everything to just avoid him.
But how is the food going?
The food is going great.
Spy on that.
Yeah, it's going
But
great.
Shouldn't you close it so it could
Maybe, yeah.
steam a little bit?
Yeah, but with what am I gonna close it?
The big plates. I think you can, if you turn it around, you can.
Okay.
Or shouldn't you put that also?
The coriander? Okay.
And the lime thingy.
Yeah. What are you doing? Chefing it up?
The amigas are gonna think like, hey, Ben is cutting it fast. Should I throw it in?
Yes.
It smells like fio fio.
Fio fio? What is the fio fio? I think it smells good though.
The food smells good.
Right?
Yeah. But not that thing.
Okay. Well,
I hope this thing is good.
I hope so too.
I've already put the rice to cook, amigas.
Yes. We're gonna do more questions when we're sitting and eating. Oh, we also got a little wine.
See what I mean? Alcoholic.
Listen, I haven't had wine in a
Don't
week.
lie, Jennifer.
In a week.
Don't lie.
In a whole week.
So?
So it's nice to have a little wine today then. 2 weeks actually. Was it last week that we had wine?
Red wine.
Wine. But today it's white wine. on the table. On the table.
At the table.
We're now at the table. We're now gonna eat. So cheers, Benny. We also have a little wine. Cheers.
I have water.
No, that's not water.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Jenny.
Cheers. And now let's try our delicious food.
Dushi come.
Dushi cominda.
Cominda.
Sí, dushi cominda. How are you gonna do it? Are you gonna put the rice in the bowl or are you gonna put the... Ah, sorry. I like it though.
The sauce is good. It's the meat. How do you think it's good?
I think the meat should have been like more, or we should have got like a different type of meat.
Yeah, I think so too.
But it does taste pretty similar. Amiga, we're gonna finish eating our food and we'll get back to you. So we finished having our food. It was so good. What is your review on the food? Was it good? Was it similar? Was it the same? Was it better?
Only the meat.
Yeah.
The sauce was good. The meat didn't really have the
exact same flavor.
Yeah, the flavor of the sauce. The flavor of the sauce was good, but the meat didn't have the flavor of the sauce.
Yeah. I didn't care too much for the meat either, so I could have had like just the veggies and the sauce.
Oh, you want to become a vegetarian?
No, I'm just saying like in this case, I just liked the sauce a lot and the veggies. So maybe we should have used like a different type of beef. I don't know.
Or we could have used chicken.
Oh yeah, we could have done that, but then it's not the same recipe anymore. But anyways, it's fine. Our stomachs are full. We are happy, and like the craving that we have for it, I think it's good now.
For now.
Or do you still want to go to Barcelona like right now to go eat that?
No.
No? Okay, well that's good. Because we can't anyways. Okay, so we're gonna do like a few more of the never have I ever questions. Never have I ever used a fake ID. Have you ever used a fake ID?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
You did?
But to go to the gym.
To the gym. Oh, okay.
And after a while they caught me.
They did?
Yeah, because that time it was they made a picture of you, and when you check in, then they can see it on the computer screen.
Oh my god.
But there were certain days that there was nobody at the front desk, so you could just check in and go. But that day,
you got caught.
I got caught. Everybody gets caught once.
Yeah. Well, I used a fake ID in America. Yeah, when I was studying there.
That's why Trump wants to build a wall for people like you.
Yeah, I used a fake ID when I was studying in America.
For what?
Yeah, for what? Oh my god, I'm gonna sound so problematic after this video. Oh my god.
But you are problematic. Amigas, listen. Don't let Jenny fool you that she's a nice girl. She's problematic, okay?
No, I'm not.
Sometimes I need to tie her up on the bed or on her chair just to have some peace in my life.
Stop lying.
Or I need to send her to her mother or her sister because she is so problematic.
Yeah, and then when I'm there, he's gonna call like, when are you coming back? I really miss you, Jenny.
Yeah, after 2 weeks I'm calling.
Lying. You get upset when you need to sleep alone.
No, I have the bed. I have the bed for myself, so.
Opa, estoy ganha.
Opa, estoy ganha.
Mata ganha, opa, sim.
Opa, ganha, opa, sim. Go on with your story.
So, this is another story that maybe I shouldn't tell because it's just too problematic.
Mr. Trump, listen, what's he been doing?
No, I'm not gonna tell that story. Keeping it to myself.
What are you doing? Drinking alcohol?
No, yeah, I was allowed to do that.
But you can't against alcohol, Jenny.
No, I was allowed to do that, so I used it for something else.
For what?
No, I can't say.
Why not?
No. I'm gonna tell you later, okay?
For what? Okay, tell me now.
No.
Tell me now. Say. But did the police ever stop you?
No. I'm not gonna tell that story. I'm gonna keep that to myself. That's not a good example. I'm on the internet. I have younger viewers and I would never want anyone to do something like that.
Listen, if y'all want me to tell the story in another video, thumbs up for Benny. And if we have like 5 thumbs down, I'm gonna tell.
No, we're not gonna have thumbs down. You should ask like, why can't you ask like if we have 100 likes or something? Yes, if we have 100 likes, he's gonna tell the story. But
5 thumbs down for Benny. Okay.
No thumbs down.
Hey, niet vechten, hè?
Waarom vraag je mensen om negatief te zijn op mijn video?
Het is niet negatief.
Yes.
Alright, listen. Don't press the thumbs down button. Comment a thumb down for Benny in the comment section.
Next one. Have you ever made a prank?
Fake girl.
Have you ever made a prank
The
call?
police should have locked you up.
Ever made a prank call? Well, I have one on that one too.
You did everything.
Yeah.
There's nothing on this list that you didn't do. Let me see the list.
Yeah, so one time when I was little, I was prank calling people, but I wanted to take it like a step further. So I would call to people and I would like write the number down. So I would like, hi, I would call and I would say like, hi. And for example, is Ben at home? And then they would say like, no, Ben lives here. And then I would call like multiple people and then like later on in the week, I would call again and then ask again like, hi, is Ben home?
You see what I said, people? Problematic.
And then by the end of the week, I would call back and I would say like, hey, it's Ben. Did anybody call for me?
And then?
They got so mad. There was one man that started laughing because he was like, oh my god, just get a hobby, girl. That's smart, right?
It's smart, no? I wouldn't want you as my daughter.
Have you ever set a fire? I know it's on the list.
It's not here.
It is on the list. Have you ever set a fire?
There's no set of fire here.
Yes. Okay, I have built a fire once.
What? How did you?
So there was a time that pampas grass was already in.
What?
Pampas grass. That's what we have there.
Oh shit! I already know what happened.
And back in the time, it was also very expensive, just as it is right now. So my mom had a whole bunch of them, but hers were like Lux pampas grass.
What's Lux?
Like very expensive ones. It cost like 20 euros a piece or something. So I would get them and I would play around the house with them. So she would always get so upset. Then I don't know. I had this phase that I had just had an obsession with fire. So I decided to set one on fire because I saw my mom like set like candles on fire. So I decided to try one.
You tried to burn down the whole house. The roof is on fire.
So yeah, I like lit one and it went so fast. I was like, and I was like, whoa, that was so fast.
And cool, eh?
Yeah, so I was like, okay, I need to do another one.
It's the cool part that got you in trouble.
And I was like, oh my god, that went so fast. I need to try another one. So I tried another one. But the problem is, my mom had like 4. So, yeah. So, so I did the second one. And then I was like, oh my god, cool, you know? But then, when I put like the 2 back, it just...
You saw that something's missing.
Yeah, so I was like, what do I do now? And with my dumb head, I was like, okay, I need to burn the rest too.
You burned them? No, Jennifer. Tell us, what happened after that? What happened after that, Jennifer? Jennifer, what happened after that? Because I don't think your mom didn't do anything to you.
Oh, my mom got home.
She broke your backside for you.
My mom got home and she was like, "Tolekima." In English, something smells burnt. And I was just sitting there like, "Hi, mommy."
How old were you? How old were you?
9. And I was like, hi, mommy. And I
But
was,
she left you home alone at 9.
yeah. Then she noticed that the pampas grass was missing. So she was like, what happened to my pampas grass? Because it was just like the stick looking very sad. And I was like, I don't know. I just came from school and it was like that.
I wouldn't believe that lie.
So my mom,
She broke her backside.
she was very calm. She walked away.
That
That's the most dangerous part.
she told you to go take a shower. Then she whooped your ass.
And then, like a ghost, she was standing next to the couch with a belt. And she whooped my ass. I run like in the whole house, jumping over benches, jumping over all type of things.
While
And
you were
then-
getting your ass whooped.
Yes, because I was trying to get away. And then I got myself,
Trapped?
yes, in a little corner. And
then
then
she-
it went
Down.
down. Yeah, she whooped my ass. And after...
And after that, you took a shower.
Yeah.
And you went to sleep. Huh?
Yes. The best sleep of my life. The best sleep of my life. We were poor, so she really worked hard to get her little pampas grass, and for me to just do that.
Does she have pampas grass now?
No,
Maybe you should buy 4 for her.
maybe I should. Yeah, to just make
And,
up
and
for
then
what
you
I
tell,
did.
this is for the time that you whoop my ass. So,
Cheers to a good story. Come on.
I don't want to cheers on that. So, basically what happened, I was going to a religious school. It's a religious school, right?
Yes.
Christian school.
Yeah, you were getting baptized, or the thing after baptism, after in the
Yeah, come. I don't know. We had to do something at school in a church. But before you do it, you need to take like lessons. So you need to go to church. You need to read a few things.
In Dutch, it's called Eerste Communie.
Yes.
But if I can find the name, I will put it on the screen.
Heilige Communie.
Heilige Communie. Heilige Communie.
I can remember that one of the lessons we were just praying, but with candles. So we were praying. So what's it
Pastor?
called? The priest, the pastor, just told us, yes, when you're at home, you should also pray with your parents. So I went home, and a few times my parents did pray with me with a candle on. But this was this one particular day that my parents had somebody over. So we couldn't pray, but it was time for me to sleep, and I was sleepy. So I told my parents that I'm going to sleep, I'm gonna pray. They said, okay, yeah, pray, and then you go to sleep. So what I did, I took a candle. But because I was scared of the dark, I didn't turn off the light in my room. I just went into my closet. My closet. You know. So my mom was making clothes at that time, but she had a roll of paper that they make the traces on it. The outline of the clothes she needs to cut. So she had a roll of paper in my closet. And that paper is very thin and it burns very fast. So I went into my closet. Oh, before I go on. I was very young at that time, so I was just learning what thieves were.
But you didn't completely understand
I
the
didn't
meaning.
completely understand the meaning of a thief. In my mind, a thief was just something more like a ghost or something that just comes and take your things. So I didn't know that it were actually people that were thieves that were coming into your house to take things. Okay? Keep that in mind. I went in the closet with my candle. So turn it on. So while I was praying, and you know when you close your eyes in the dark and there's a candle, you can see like the light flickering in front of you. But you see it like reddish. So while I was praying, I saw that light became brighter and brighter, and I was thinking like, oh, this is spring. You know, like it's working. I'm praying. So I was praying, smiling, and all of a sudden it felt very warm. So when I opened my eyes, I saw one of my clothes was burning. So I jumped off. I went down. I told my parents like, yeah, you need to hurry up. A thief made a fire in my closet. Come and look, it's burning. My clothes are burning and so my dad, he rushed. So before I could even go to my room, I saw things going through the window outside, and I was looking like, whoa. And so usually when I get an ass whooping is when visitors leave. That day I got that ass whooping while the person who was visiting it was there. So that was the last day I built a fire in the house.
That was such a good story.
It's a good story.
I love that story.
I didn't love what happened after that.
No, but you slept well though. Hey, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
You slept well after that ass whooping.
But why do we sleep so good after an ass whooping?
I have no idea.
Oh.
You cry and you do this like.
Hey, well listen, if you're sleeping and you're making this sound,
it was bad.
In Suriname they would say aguashking.
Aguashking?
Yeah.
Gotten drunk. Would you ever got drunk?
Yes.
Yes? What was your worst story? Tell us your worst story.
You're a fraud, you know.
Why am I a fraud? What did
You're
I
a fraud.
do? What did I do? Should I go first?
You can go first.
Okay, my worst story was when I had an adios motherfucker cocktail. Like a few years ago. We went to Café Ola. That's a nice cafe here in Antwerp. So if you are ever here, go visit.
Or the people from Belgium can also
go visit if you live in Belgium.
It's still open now?
I think so. I don't know. Like check for it, but I'll link their information in the description box down below. They have very nice cocktails.
And it's a fun place.
Yeah, it's really fun, nice music and everything. Like, I love it. But we went there and we were having drinks. And then him and Renato, our mutual friend, they came.
He brought us there.
Yeah, I think so. But the problem was that he knows the owner. And the owner started making more drinks for us. And one of the drinks, it was all good. I was drunk, but I was still there, you know? I was still laughing a lot.
The cocktails didn't hit her that well.
Yeah, well they did. They did.
Ano nakikaide. That was the
Kaide?
Ano nakikaide.
Ano nakikaide?
That ano too.
Ano?
Yes.
Ja, maar die adios motherfucker, ik heide.
Wat heb je gedaan?
Minaki kaide.
Dat is het gedaan.
So, I was already drunk. I didn't need that adios motherfucker cocktail, but they made it. They made it for me, and I had it.
You had a sip. Or
Yeah,
two.
I like 2 sips, and it was done.
But
It was done. I felt sloppy. I felt like I couldn't stand straight. I couldn't walk straight.
No, Yanni. No. Don't do this. Don't do this.
I was trying to go home too.
Don't do this. Tell people how you are when you're drunk.
Annoying.
Problematic.
Annoying, not problem. Why am I problematic?
She laughs at everything. She was really laughing at everything.
Yeah.
Everything. She could see a cat and she thought. The worst thing is, I had to walk with this drunk girl home. While I was walking with her, another couple was walking towards us, and the guy, his girlfriend, was also drunk. Those 2 drunk people all of a sudden start laughing with each other in the middle of the
I
street.
was laughing at her like, haha, you are drunk.
And she was laughing at her, saying that she is drunk too. Me and the guy, we were just standing there like,
Yeah. Yeah. So after that, like, then we had to go home, and we lived at our old place, and we have like so many stairs to go up, and it was a problem to get me upstairs. And then he told me the next day, like, listen, this was your last time to not ever drink again. If you ever drink again like that,
you're on your own.
You're on your own.
Then I'm single.
No, you're not. No. Doesn't go easy like that. So what is your story?
I don't have a drunk story.
You don't have a drunk story?
No.
Yes, you do.
Why? Is today Benny's exposing day?
A little. Maybe this should be the last one. If you want us to do more, then let us know in the comments down below. We will do more. But this is going to be the last one. You're going to have the final story. Come on, tell us the story. You want to know.
You already know it. So I do.
Come on. But amigas don't.
Amigas are not interested.
Yes, they are.
Amigas are interested in you.
The amigas are interested in you too. Come on.
I had a few neighbors, right? Who loved beer. They really loved beer. And they could drink a lot of beer. I think one of them it was his birthday. And he said, yeah, come, let's, it's my birthday, let's drink a few beers. I was like, oh, okay. So we were drinking, and all of the cold beer was suddenly done. There were only warm beers. Someone just tried out Red Label. They mixed it with beer and ice. And for whatever reason, for I don't know, but for some kind of reason, that day, it tasted good. It hit me when I was hearing my name far, far away, like, Bernardo! I was like, damn, this drink is very good. It's even calling me in. So, all of a sudden, one of my friends said, hey, yo, your dad is calling you. I was like, oh! So, I wanted to stand up and I couldn't. I was like, wait a minute.
I can't get up.
And the harder I tried to get up, the more it was like I was on a boat, a water bag. Everything was going like this. 10 meters to go home, because he lived really across of me. But in my mind, it took like forever. So I got home, and I thought I'm going to take a shower and go to bed. It was my week to do the dishes. And my dad had a rule that if it's your week, you need to do those dishes that same day. You're not leaving it to the next day to do everything. That same day. While I was doing the dishes, I can remember my mom was sitting at the dinner table reading the paper, right? And I dropped a plate. You know? I don't know how it fell down, but it just fell down. And just looked at it and went on with washing the dish. I was done. I went to take a shower, and then I went on my bed. You know, while I was lying there, I was like, wow, it was a good day. It's starting to get warm. I was like, oh, let me open up the windows. So I opened the windows, went back to bed. While I was lying in my bed, or laying, or what it is, it felt like I was in a boat, like. I was like, so I was looking at the ceiling and I was like, yo, what's happening with the ceiling? Yo, and all of a sudden I felt something climbing from my stomach up to my neck. I was like, okay. I went to the bathroom and it was on. I like sprayed the whole bathroom, did everything that you shouldn't be doing in a bathroom. While I was sitting there getting back myself together, my dad opened the door. He said, and now you're gonna wash the, you're gonna clean up the bathroom. But when you puke, all of a sudden you feel better.
Yeah, it alleviates. Olivia, Misayo. See, sorry.
So, like, I felt better instantly. I felt like sick, but I wasn't like
that horrible feeling wasn't there anymore.
But also like the drunkenness, like you're not leveling, like that was gone. So it was 2 o'clock in the morning. I had to wash the bathroom. The next day I went to school. My brothers, they had a smile on their face. I was like, what are you guys so happy about? After school, my mom picked me up and my grandma came from Nikeri. So we were sitting in the car. Everybody was sitting, looking outside. Out of nowhere, my grandma. So, you think you're a big man, huh? You're drinking alcohol, puking at 2 o'clock in the morning. And I was like, damn. Not even 24 hours and my grandma.
And nothing in private.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That was the worst drunk experience.
When you're Caribbean, nothing in your life as a child is private. They gotta tell everything. So annoying.
But the parents never say something. It's always the grandma.
Yeah, but like it's my mom does too. Like I remember, like okay, maybe it's
if you did something bad.
No,
right?
but even like when I got my first period, my mom would like literally call all her friends. I was like, how is that their business? Stop telling my business to people. I was so annoyed with that.
If it's your business, it's your business.
Yeah, that's obvious. Yeah. But amiga, I think it's enough. This video is gonna be way too long, so.
Yeah, amiga said they love long videos.
They do, but
they
like,
do.
They do.
They do.
They do.
They do.
They do, but we're not gonna make it way too long. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.
And a thumbs down for Benny in the comments. In the comments, people. We only need 5.
Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Alright. Anyways, we hope to see you soon in my next video. And I love you so much. Yes. Mwah. Bye.
Can I blow kisses too?
Yes. Bye.